What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Crypto Rally. Today I will be looking at Oink again. So let's go ahead and jump into the charts. So we're now looking at the 4-hour chart. So I'm more like if this, then that happens type of person. I don't really look at the RSIs too much, except on the higher time frames like the weekly. You want to start DCAing. But I like looking at the fibs, so let's do it if this, then that, basically. So go to the high of the last move down to the low, so where the rally started, head up, and then the pullback. So looking at the fibs, basically if a fib breaks, it usually comes down to the next fib and so on. The 618 strong, 786 his last chance to stay above it, or it's coming down lower. Okay, so broke the 236, broke the 382, fell down, bounced off the 618, popped back up to 236, and then has come back down. Right now it's staying around this 786. You can see we fell below it, but then popped back up it pretty quick, use that support. So we're trying to hold the 786 level right here, okay? If it doesn't hold, it comes down, these would be the targets down here. These are negatives, so it's not going to come down that far. But so now I just zoom in to see basically where we're at. So we'll take the current top right here that we have, and then current bottom where we found support. Let me zoom in. So we have the top-ish, bottom-ish. All right, so you can see from this move from bottom to the top, we're holding the 618 level, which is good. And then we're getting stuck at the 0.5, right? So we want to hold the 618, not coming down to the 786. Hopefully it finds that support. See support before, and then bounce higher. If not, then we're coming down here between 0.4043 and 0.4071. This would be, you can see it found support off of here before. So this would be my zone if it's bearish. Basically, I think it just depends on what Bitcoin's going to do. Bitcoin's bullish, we'll go higher. If it's bearish, come to these levels if it loses these supports, which I don't know if it's going to lose them or not. But and then on the flip side, let's say Bitcoin's bullish. So current support we found right here. We're going to go ahead and reverse the fibs, look for higher targets. All right, so from the high down to the current support. My targets here would be up here to the 1618, 0.3002 to 0.3020, yeah, in this area. So up here, come back down, find support. If we're bullish, then we're going to go higher. Okay, and so say we're bullish, come up here, come back down, bounce off the 618, wherever that would be. Okay, let's say we do come up here, and then 618 would be here. So up, 618, higher. But if we bullish, we pass here, then the targets up would be right up here, 0.0047, 0.0039. So that would be our targets if we're bullish. Once we get above here, let's find out where we would go from there. So for here to down here, where we're at support. Let's see, I told you before we hit 786, came back down. So we break the all-time high. And my targets would be 0.0006, 0.00049 up in this area. Like I said before, another pullback, and then higher. Say we need to get to 0.006, 0.006, So we passed that. After consolidation, head higher, 0.0093. So almost to $1 million market cap. So that's what I'm looking at. Right now we're at 0.00142. So about 1 million tokens would be about 150 bucks. And then if we did get up to 0.009, that $150 will be about $900, somewhere in there. But anyway, that is my current update. So I'm just watching these smaller time frames to see what we're doing. Right now we're doing what we need to do. From the top to this bottom, just one more time. And then I'm just going to reverse the fib levels. We're holding this 0.618, 0.0001317. So we're trying to hold this level, stay above this level, stay bullish. Anyways, that is my update for Oink. Thanks for watching. You guys had a wonderful weekend. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And again, this is not financial advice, just for fun.